Good morning, students. Now come again to chapter 16, congruence. So in the previous class we studied about the congruent figures, congruent triangles. Now we are going to study about their properties. We also studied about the properties SSS property and SAS, then ASA. The fourth one was left, that is RHS property, that we are going to study today. RHS congruence condition. It means right angle, hypotenuse and side. RHS property says that if we have two right triangles, it means both have one right angle. We can see this is showing that these two triangles are right triangles. One angle is right in both the triangles, and we can see this is hypotenuse. Same mark is showing that these both are equal, so hypotenuse are equal. And one more side, any one side, maybe base or maybe perpendicular. If any other side more than hypotenuse are equal, then we can say the triangles are congruent by RHS rule of congruence. RHS means right angle. We have right angle which are equal. Second thing, hypotenuse. So yes, we have equal hypotenuse also. Then now the third thing is side, means any one side, maybe base or maybe perpendicular. Any one pair of corresponding sides are equal, pair of hypotenuse are equal, and any one pair of corresponding sides are equal, then we can say the triangles are congruent by RHS rule of congruence. Now come to the exercise 16. The question number first says that state the correspondence between the vertices, sides and angles of the following parts of congruent triangles. So here we have given the first one I have done. You can see we have given the triangle. There is a triangle ABC which is congruent to triangle EFD. So we need to find the corresponding vertices and corresponding sides and corresponding angles. So we can see if there are two triangles. For example, I'm drawing here. This is A, B, C, and other one is E. In place of A there is E, there is B, so F, and here D. So here we can see, so which vertices, corresponding vertices are here. So A is corresponding to E, so we can write here A is corresponding to E, and B is corresponding to F. So here we are writing B is corresponding to F, and C is corresponding to D. So the same thing is written here. Now come to the next one. It is sides. So which are the corresponding sides are here? AB is corresponding to EF. So written here. Here we are writing like this. And BC is corresponding to FD, and AC is corresponding to AD, this one. So now we have angles. So angle A is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle F, angle C is equal to angle D, which is written here. So in this way you will do all the questions of question number 1. Now come to the question number 2. Given below are pairs of congruent triangles. State the property of congruence and name the congruent triangles in each case. So here we have, in each case we have two triangles, we can see. So I'm doing the first one, this triangle and this triangle. So this triangle is ACB. We can write as ABC or ACB. And D, in this triangle also we have, it is given that these are triangles, oh sorry, congruent triangles. And one more thing, AC is equal to ED and BC is equal to EF, and angle between them are also equal, this angle C and this angle E. So we can see two corresponding sides and angles between corresponding sides, means these are corresponding angles, these are also equal, and corresponding sides are two pairs of corresponding sides are equal. So we can say these two are congruent by SAS rule of congruence, means side uh, side, then angle, then side. Here also side, then angle between them, and then side. So these are congruent by SAS rule of congruence. So we need to write their names also. So here we can see this is triangle ACB. We can write name as ACB, and here we can write as AC is equal to DE and angle E is equal to angle E. So we can also write it as angle DEF. Angle DEF. So we can write it as triangle ACB is congruent to triangle DEF, or we can also write this in another way as triangle ABC. We are writing the same triangle as ABC. So here we have exchanged the places of C and B. You can see where we are writing here BC. So these places will also be exchanged, as F will come here in place of E and E will come in place of F. Means corresponding parts will not change. We'll write accordingly, according to the corresponding parts. Now come to the fifth one, question number second, fifth part it is. This is fifth one. So here we have a quadrilateral ABCD which is divided into two parts, and now we have two triangles ABC and ADC. So we can see this angle is equal to this one, and this angle B is equal to angle D, both are of 70 degree, and this angle is of 60 degree, and this is also of 60 degree. So means all three corresponding angles are equal, but we are not having any property like AAA. We are not having any property AAA to prove that congruent the triangles are congruent. We are not having any such property. So what can we do? We need at least one side. So we can see this side AC is of triangle ABC and also of triangle ADC. This is common side of both the triangles. So we can see this angle is equal to this one and this angle is equal to this one. So means two angles means this angle and this side and this angle, and in another triangle ABC, this angle and this side and this angle, means two angles and the side between them corresponding, two pairs of corresponding angles and the side between them means corresponding sides are also equal. Then we can say the triangles are congruent by ASA rule of congruence. Okay, and how to write that I'm telling you. So in this way you will write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC by ASA rule of congruence. In this way you will do the exercise 16, question number first and second.